ActivInspire includes document and media actions, allowing you to quickly access and present files and websites to enhance your flip charts. First, select the object you wish to apply a document or media action to. Next, go to your action browser. If your browsers are not visible, go to View, then Browsers. Document and media actions are the final option within the drop-down menu. In this example, maybe we would like to link this NASA logo to a NASA website to check the current moon phase. Select Open Website and paste the URL. Be sure to click Apply Changes. In presentation mode, a small play icon now appears when you hover over the object. Once you click it, the action is enabled. To remove this action, go to Design Mode, select the object, and click Remove Existing.